Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm going to review SlimePingu, an Etsy UK slime shop. This package took a long time to get here, but everything was sorted out and it's here now. So we've got 1, 2, a note, 3, 4, 5 slimes, wow, and she's more than made up for the fact that the 2 slimes I ordered came late. So these are really well packaged in bubble wrap, and this note from her, that's really nice. So she's given me 3 extra slimes to make up, so thank you so much, that's super generous. And here's some extras, and they look nice, and a card looks really good too. Oh, so we've got some borax in there as well, and some slime care instructions, her logo, Instagram and Etsy. That's a very nice card. So look at all these slimes, really well wrapped, nothing seems to be broken or have leaked. So here they all are. Don't they look wonderful? Wow, so colourful. So what have we got? We've got white choco cereal, pineapple thicky gloss, they're the 2 I ordered. Kiwi starburst and freshly baked bread puff and apple of Eden. Ooh. So I guess I should start with the 2 that I ordered, and that's these. So this is pineapple thicky gloss, and I love the look of this in her shop. Oh yes, it looks very glossy, and this is quite thick as well. Very nice. And yeah, it definitely smells of pineapple. Wow, very nice pineapple smell. It's quite hard to get a good pineapple scent, I find, so she's done well with this one. And this looks like a really lovely slime. Yeah, this is a lovely slime. I don't know what glue she uses, maybe Elmer's glue because it's very thick, and there's all these lovely little Fimo fruit slices in there that goes very well with the theme. Yep, so this slime has lovely bubble pop and click. Yep, I'm super happy with that slime. It is a really good one. So this slime cost me £3.50 only for 4 ounces. Smells lovely, and I think that's really good value for money. So the next slime I ordered was this white choco cereal milk. Again, I thought this looked really good. And wow, it's got a lovely sort of sweet cereal type of scent. Oh, and this is very thick, and it's got little sprinkles in it and some black glitter. Wow, so great pop and click, and it's got these little foam balls, rainbow ones, and rainbow sprinkles as well. So this is a lovely texture, it doesn't need any activating, and it's super stretchy, really thick, great quality slime. Wow. Well, I am super happy with that slime. It's really lovely. It cost me £3.50 as well. So for both slimes, that's £7 plus £3 shipping, £10 total. Well, I was so blown away by those, and this is just so generous for her to give me 3 slimes. This one is freshly baked bread puff. Yeah, it's got a sort of a kind of sweet bakery scent, and oh, this looks like a sleigh slime, so it's got clay in it definitely, and this looks really good too. So she did send me these extra because the package did come, well, it took a long time to get here because of an error. So she was super kind in making up for that, more than making up for it, with 3 extra slimes. So thank you so much to Melina of SlimePingu. Yeah, this is a really good slime too. It's very smooth and spreadable and soft, and very, very nice to handle. So next up, she sent me this lovely kiwi starburst, and it looks like it's got nice black glitters running through the slime. Ooh, yeah, this looks lovely. Looks quite glossy as well. And it's kind of a fresh, sweet scent. Kiwi doesn't really have a strong smell of its own anyway, so, but this is a lovely, very sort of subtle, fresh, fruity scent, and this slime feels really good too. I don't know what glue she uses, but her slimes are very good quality. Yep, so that's another lovely slime, good texture, good quality, and very nicely thought out with the black sprinkles. So this other slime she sent me, Apple of Eden. This looks like a lovely fresh green, and ooh, this looks glossy. And I can smell apple already. So I think this one's slightly sticky, so I'll just activate it a bit and we'll see what it's like. Yep, that's another lovely slime, very glossy and very satisfying to handle. So here's all 5 slimes she sent me, and I was so surprised to receive so many, and I thought they were beautiful and very colourful, and this was so much fun to open, so thank you. But that does conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!